who want to be able to quickly roll out sort of feature-rich websites for the new exciting drug, legal drug. We're not in California, we're in Texas. Splenda is a Drupal site. I also wanted to just quickly show some fake Drupal sites, because these are fun. So Lullabot runs a conference called Do It With Drupal. And what we've done for the past 2 years, and we'll keep doing this because it's fun, is asked some of the people who are coming to speak at the event to build what we call a fantasy site or a clone site. So take a popular website that people know and rebuild it in Drupal. And it's a really great learning experience because you know how, for instance, Flickr works. What if you were to rebuild it as a nautical-themed photo site called Flipper, and basically, build out the functionality of Flickr, sort of social photo sharing kind of thing in Drupal? I mean, I think it'd be really interesting to see how that was done in Drupal, and it is. And so we built Flipper. I think it's flipper.net, which is photo sharing website. Built in Drupal using image cache and views, and we actually ended up having to build a custom module. This was done a couple of years ago. We built a custom module called Custom Pagers, Jeff Eaton wrote, and that kind of drives being able to go through and see all of the, one by one, the pictures in a user's, Flickr call it, photo stream, anyways. But we also built Basecamp, rockclimber.com, as a Basecamp clone. Luckily, we didn't hear from the wonderful people at 37 Signals about this. Jeff Eaton this year built ArrayShift, which is a Stack Overflow clone. If you've done a lot of searching around for Drupal questions on the web, you've probably run into Stack Overflow. Well, here's a clone of it built in Drupal. He actually turned this into an install profile, and it's up on Drupal.org, ArrayShift. We also built Twitter, blitter.com. I don't think this site's up anymore, and I didn't get it when people's photos were up and stuff like that. But yeah, well, microblogging built on Drupal. We probably wouldn't be able to hold up to the same amount of traffic that Twitter does, but
what are you blitting?
Looks similar. This year I built Craigslist in Drupal. This uses views of taxonomy terms on the homepage. It's called Thieves List. The idea being that if you buy something on Craigslist, you're never quite sure if it's stolen or not, but on Thieves List, you're absolutely sure that it's stolen. Anyways, there's really nice features where you can as an anonymous user, you can create posts on the site and create accounts at the same time. I mean, this is really the great thing about Drupal, is sort of finding these modules. You have a certain specific need, and then being able to find the module. I think this is called inline registration, where it allows you to register while you're creating a node, while you're creating a post. And then there's also a node expiration, where the post goes up and then it expires after 2 weeks or something like that. And you've got a classified ad section that goes up and they disappear after 2 weeks. So anyways, good stuff. Dretzy. Ryan Srama, who you may know as Mr. Ubercart, I guess he's probably going to change his name these days. He's Mr. Drupal Commerce now. Built Etsy in Drupal, and he did an amazing job. He really got it pixel perfect. And the first day of Do It With Drupal last year, Ryan got a cease and desist letter from Etsy. We had to take it down, so it's no longer up, but Ryan was able to send me a database dump, and I managed to install it locally and get this. So anyways, so you can build all of these different kinds of things with Drupal. I mean, these are not blog sites. This is an e-commerce, social, crafting e-commerce website, and here it is, built in Drupal. Drupal's cool. All right, so let's build a site. So we're going to build